G'day! In today's video I've got an Xbox Series X, and right now the issue that it's got is games are crashing after 5 to 10 minutes. The fan itself isn't kicking up in gear, so it's audible, like it's barely audible right now. Even in game, the audio does not change, or the fan volume / speed. So I've had this apart, I've replaced the thermal paste on it, that has made no difference whatsoever. It may have made it last a little bit longer before it essentially gets heat soaked and switches off. And when it does crash, it just crashes back to the main menu with no error message. So the game just quits out and we're sitting at the main menu. So this is one diagnostic method that you may be able to try to see if it's an issue with, well, the fan. There may be a dodgy way you could keep it going alive. It may annoy your household, but overall, let's get into it and check it out. Or a little potential workaround that it may not be the thermal side of things at all. So this one right now, I've loaded up into Fortnite, which has been the test game that I've been using, because when I die I can spectate and keep it going for longer. Right now this console will last about 5 to 10 minutes before it will crash out of the game and go back to the main menu. So basically it would quit out and go back to the main menu and it will just sit in there. It hasn't produced an error message, it hasn't done anything else apart from the video game crashing. But one thing that I've noticed is the fan itself doesn't ramp up speed, it just maintains speed. So right now it's at the same fan noise or same fan RPM as when it's idling on the main menu. Except in a graphical game at the moment, it should be ramping up right now. I know the thermal paste has been replaced, but it's not that good. As in, it's not going to keep a fan at 10% speed the whole time. Ooh. We're vibrating. So yeah, right now the game started, but let's say the game's crashed. All I will see is it go bang, and it would be sitting there. Could be in the middle of the game, and bam, right there it goes. So let's say it's done that. How am I going to test to find out if it is that? So what we're going to have to do is step one, we'll have to take this sticker off here. With a hairdryer and some tweezers, you should be able to peel this off. And after that, annoyingly, there's a very particular style of torque screw that's in there. I see this one on PlayStations, I see this one on Xboxes. But that screw here lives in here. There's the bugger. So sorry to say, I'm not sure exactly what torque head this one is. If it wants to focus for me. Come on, there we go, there's my thumb. No. So, I'll try and leave a link in the description for one of these screwdrivers. But let's say once we're there, we'll shut down the console. Another thing to note is when the console's off, the fan does keep spinning. Now we're just laying down and screw out, cover off and screw out. Should be able to pry from the bottom. That did come off a bit easier because this bit here is broken. But what I was looking at is over here. I've already got the wire loosely sitting out for me. But this here is the fan connector. If I wiggle that out, the one nearest to this ribbon cable here, we want to disassemble. So I'm going to put this camera down here on the Xbox. I'm going to get a very small pair of tweezers. And what I want to do is pull this latch up here. So you might be able to use tweezers, you might be able to use a small Phillips head screwdriver, but I do want to lift up this tab right here, this one. And with that lifted up, you should hopefully be able to pull at the same time to disconnect the fan. So right now, it's not disconnected. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure what this is. I think this is for signal or for sense. So it detects what it can, that is how it varies the fan speed. And when it's not being varied, the fan just goes at full speed. So this is where it comes back to me finding that when you turn the console off, that the fan keeps going. Because right now, before I turned it off, and the fan was running at 100%, and it maintained running at 100%. So for now, I'm going to disconnect it, plug it back in. There, power, power, power. There. On. And away we go. As you can hear now. That fan is taken off like a jet plane. It was going nowhere near like that in gameplay. We're now even at the main menu. It wants to take off. Just as a comparison, if I slide that back in and just make contact. Damn, I got contact. The fan's winding down. I disconnect it. Away we go. So essentially, what you want to be able to do is take the back off this, disconnect that one cable, and then give your games a shot again. Granted, if you are playing with other people in the house or in the household, and you've got this idling or running at full speed in the lounge room, that is really going to annoy people. So, granted, it will be annoying, but I am using this as a troubleshooting method to find out if it's A, has it got a similar issue to this? B, is it overheating? Because right now, yeah, the main issue I had was in-game, this was still dead quiet. When it's running at full speed, I've been able to run back-to-back Fortnite matches just fine. So what I want to probably do in the future is install a 12-volt PWM variable fan controller. So there'll be a dial out the back and you can adjust it, and that will, when you're in-game, you can turn it up. When you're in the main menu or watching Netflix, you can turn it down. So I don't know what's happened on this particular circuit for that to no longer be controlled by software or hardware. But at least if we can override it, we can know we can keep this console going. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.